Hello guys, we are gonna be unboxing the Ginormous Indoraptor, bigger than I thought it would be, and then the Ceratosaurus. So let's start with the Ceratosaurus, the smallest dinosaur in Jurassic Park. Just kidding, the Dilophosaurus that I got a few days ago is smaller. Wait, the tail is attachable and detachable.
Cool.
So, if I just put the tail on, get in their tail. The tail's harder to put on than I thought it would be.
I'm gonna help you.
Oh, that's a lot. And while he gets his tail on, I'm going to take out the
I think this
Indoraptor.
one's broken. Yeah, it's broken.
No, it isn't.
I'm kidding. It's not. Alright. Sorry.
If we just... Wait. I don't get this.
Can I fix it? Can I fix it? I think I fixed it. Did I fix it?
Yeah? Oh, yeah, you did. So this
Sorry
is
about the
Ceratosaurus. It's really cool. The special code. Wait, let's see if the Indoraptor has one. Where are the scissors?
I think I lost the
There.
scissors.
How do we get this girl out?
Do you want help?
Oh, there. Got it. Got the head. Take this off.
The hands.
For some reason, the hands,
Um,
they're harder to take out than I thought. Got it. Got one hand. Now the other. Ah, the back and the legs. Okay. Freddy, can you help me?
alright.
So this is the Indoraptor, bigger than I thought it would be.
Oh, look, the hair
Ginormous.
moves. That's great.
Look how big it is.
It's 3+. Are you older than 3?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm 7. I'm 7.
Yay!
There's a ginormous Indoraptor. Look at those. Look at the Indoraptor. He's like the size of the Indominus Rex. Like the size of whatever that thing is. I think he's bigger than that thingy-mababa. The Ceratosaurus. He's smaller than the Ceratosaurus. How dare you smaller than the Ceratosaurus? He's like slimy.
This is so insanely hard.
Yeah, look at it.
I'm gonna rip the box. Oh, there was such a more efficient way to do this.
Oh, you take out the plastic, then you do it
Or
efficient.
do this. The thing.
Now my brother's gonna keep on filming while I'm...
Oh, I did it! His tail fell off.
No.
Why every time people's tails fall off?
Hey, take that.
No, I need to take the tail out.
Sorry,
People. No, it's a lot harder than it looks. Do you need help?
Yay!
This is the worst.
Okay.
Do you
Look,
want me-
I got myself a raptor claw.
Here, can I, I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna put it back on because you can never figure out how to do it. Why does everyone's tails?
Okay, Freddy, put on his tail.
Alright, talk to them.
Hello? Hello?
Freaking tail.
His tail's right there. Look at him.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Look at him. Look at him.
Oh my god, it moves. It's,
And look at me. Look at me. And look at my pet
it
Ceratosaurus.
moves. This is creepy.
Creepy, right? I know Ceratosaurus can die. And this is legs. A little bit too far apart.
What the hell? Oh, I see.
Just right. And the
Oh, I found
Indoraptor's
it.
pretty big.
Oh my god, guys, this is not safe. Right, here you go. Is this your...
You keep on filming. This is how big the Indoraptor is. Like, he's got the special code.
Okay.
One day we're gonna do a video of me putting the special code into somewhere. Look, wait, these things on his back are rubber? Super cool. Wait, can he stand up? That's my question. You can move his legs. Like, he's perfectly movable.
This is a...
Something's wrong. He
That's-
can't stand up.
Do you want help?
Yeah.
Hi. Talk. Hi, peeps. Here, talk to the screen. I'll do it. The guys, I think we're having a few issues. I'll edit this and just put one eternity later. One eternity later. We did it? Oh, yay! We did it! One eternity later.